Look guys, kung anong nakita ko. Ayan guys. Siya yung aking nakita dito sa wild. Dito sa damuhan. Ang ganda niya, diga? What a beautiful flower it is. It is a big flower of, they say, pungapong. That's a pungapong. Pungapong guys. Wow, ang ganda-ganda niya. But this flower has a very bad fragrance, yeah. Bad odor, yeah. But it's real. Yan siya guys, oh. In this area, I think it's 1, 2. Dalawang dangkal ko siya guys. Ang haba niya, laki niya. Laki niya, oh. Parang may gold, touch of gold. Touch of gold, ano. Gold color. Gold and maroon, like that. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys.